today's seller market. Hey, what's up guys? This is Ivan Casares here with the Time Team out here in sunny San Diego, and I want to talk to you guys about how you go about submitting an offer. So now you have seen a property that you like, you love it, you fall in love with it, you have found an agent, and now you're ready to write an offer. So how do you go about the process? So first things first is you want to find a local real estate expert. Once you find the real estate agent that you're working with, the second thing you want to do is you want the agent, whoever's helping you, to run a CMA, and that basically means run a comparable market analysis report in the surrounding area. So you want to do some comparables. You want to see what the homes are selling for, price per square foot. You want to see and make sure that you're writing a competitive offer, right? So that's one of the things that you want to do. The other thing that you want to do is you want your agent to call the other agent. Don't ever just write an offer without finding out a little bit about the property. So you want your agent to call the other agent and find out if they have any offers. Do they have one offer, two offers, three offers? That really dictates and makes a big difference on how we're gonna write an offer. If they have multiple offers, we have to be a lot more aggressive. If they got no offers, well then we obviously can come a lot less. The other thing too is I want you guys to do is have your agent call the other agent and find out a little bit about the sellers. Are they moving out of state? You know, what's important to them? Do they want a longer escrow period? Do they want a longer, transaction? Do they want a shorter transaction? What's really important to them? Do they want to keep the washer and dryer? Do they want to leave all the appliances? The more that we can find out, the better chance we're going to have on getting your offer accepted. So make sure that your agent does his homework and finds out what we can do or what he can do to make his offer more appealing. All right, guys? And the third thing is when you write the offer is before you submit it, you want to make sure that the agent calls the other agent. So if you work with us and our team, we're going to call the other side. We're going to find out, A, if they have any offers, what we have to do most importantly to get the deal done. At the same time, we're going to call the agent and we're going to just talk with them. We're going to make sure that we're building rapport because again, he has a lot of control on which offer gets accepted. So what we do is we call the other agent, introduce ourselves, and just let them know, hey, we're here to make this deal happen. How can we work together, right? And then once we know what we got to do, we will basically come up with a game plan. And the last thing that we like to do, our team and I, is we like to tell a story. So if you guys are downsizing, if you're upsizing, if you guys just got recently married, we want to write a letter. We want to paint a picture, right? So we want to add a picture, write a little story. When we submit our letter, it's basically our cover letter and say, hey, so-and-so, the Smiths, for example, want to buy your property and they love this house because their mother-in-law lives down the street, or they grew up in this area, or the kids go to the school in the local school district, or whatever it is. We want to paint a picture. We want to connect with the family that's selling the house. And the last thing we do is after we submit the letter with the pre-approval, we find out everything that we have to do is we call the other agent right away and we let them know, hey, we just submitted an awesome offer. This is the details. Let us know if you have any questions. We're ready to open escrow. So again, guys, if you're looking to submit an offer, make sure that you pick the right agent and make sure that they take the steps necessary to get your offer accepted, most importantly. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you're looking to buy or sell real estate out here in sunny San Diego and you're looking for a great team of agents, we would love the opportunity to work with you and show you what we do. Thanks so much. Bye for now.